morning, sitting here, trying to enjoy my coffee with my cat, who's not supposed to be on this couch. She knows that, but she does what she wants. And the world's loudest frog is interrupting my morning. Now, I'm a huge animal lover. I don't believe in killing things. I don't kill bugs if I can help it, just because it's not my job. But he's totally interrupting my morning coffee, and we'll see if he makes more noise. That's Quinny. Quinny. She's not the brightest bulb, but, we've had her since she was a baby. There he is.